Hello children, a very warm good morning to all of you. Welcome to Standard 1 GK class. My dear student, as you know, we are making offline videos for your convenience to complete your assignment as well as what to learn also. So my dear students, with hope you all are watching video. Those who are not watching, please I am requesting to all my dear students, watch this video. These videos are very important for our subject, for our chapter. So my dear student, now I am going to start our GK, and this is the first video of this week. My dear student, in GK today I will teach you a new chapter 36, page number 43, and the name of the chapter is Traveling is Fun. Traveling is fun. In this chapter, we will talk about two things. First, traveling, and second, modes of transport. First, we will talk about traveling. First, traveling means going from one place to another places. We use different means of transport to go different places. We can't go everywhere on foot, so our convenience we use transportation. Some people use car, bus or train to travel. Some people use an aeroplane, helicopter to travel, and also some people travel by ship or boat. Also they carry goods from one place to another place. So these are called means of transport. By the help of these transportation, they move one place to another place. So my dear students, on this basis we will know about the modes of transport. So for our comfortable, it has divided three modes of transport. There are three modes of transport. First, land transport, LAND, land transport. AIR, air transport. TRANSPORT, port, air transport. And third, water transport. So my dear student, in this chapter we will talk one by one about all the means of transport, all the modes of transport. First we will talk about lands of transport. Lands of transport consist of vehicles that move on road or on rail, like bus, car, bicycle move on road, and train runs on track. Bus and trains are used for long distances also. So my dear student, in this chapter we will learn many names of the lands of transport. Means in lands there are many names. Like first one is here. First we will talk about all vehicles. Like first, vehicles such as motorcycle, scooters, auto rickshaw, jeep, cars, buses use petrol and diesel as the fuels. Vehicle move on the wheel. They can everywhere on the land. It is most common way in the world. So my dear student, now we will talk about one by one on all the lands of transport. First, as you can see in this, the picture is here, carts. Carts are pulled by animals like camel and what, bulls. Yes, carts are pulled by animals, and the name is a name of animals. Camels and bulls are pulled by the both. Carts are pulled by the animals like camels and bulls. Now tonga, TONGA, tonga. Tonga are pulled by horses. Tonga are pulled by horses. Tonga and carts are used in villages. Yes, tonga and carts are used in villages. Now after that, a bicycle and cycle rickshaw are prevail by man. Yes, it prevail by man. A bicycle is a good way to travel short distance. People ride bicycles It can be also used for exercises. Yes, it is also used for exercises. People used this cycle as exercise. Now next one is here. Our next land transport name is here motorcycle, or we can say bike. Motorcycle and bike can carry two people. It has two wheels like bicycle, but it has a motor like car. Yes, it has also two wheels like bicycle, but it runs on motor like car. Now next one is here our next land transport, auto rickshaw. Auto rickshaw, spelling of auto rickshaw is here AUTO, auto, RICKSHAW, rickshaw, auto rickshaw. Auto rickshaw are used in cities and towns for short distances. It has three wheels. One is in front and two is on back. It provides cheap and efficient transportation. Now next is our land transport name is here car. Spelling of car CAR, car. First, my dear, I would like to say Carl Benz was invented of car. Carl Benz, Carl Benz, KARL, Carl BENZ, Benz. Yes, Carl Benz was inventor of car. As you can see, this is the picture of Carl Benz. He has invented this car. So, my dear student, car is a vehicle that has wheels, carries a small number of passengers, and moved by an engine or a motor. Yes, it moved by a engine or motor. Now next one is our next vehicle is here land transport is transport name our bus. A bus is a large wheeled vehicle meant to carry passenger along with the driver. It is longer than a car. It a place where people wait for a local bus is called bus stop. Yes, a local bus people who wait for for bus, local bus, that place will called bus stop. So, and also yellow school bus is in yellow color because it has chosen it attract attention and it is noticed faster than any other color. So children's safety, for student safety, school bus is in yellow color. Most of the school bus you will see in yellow color because it attracts more than in other colors. So as you can see in this picture, yellow bus is looking very clearly and all the vehicles are not visible. It means this color is attract attentions noticed faster than of any other color. Now next one is our next transport, truck. Truck carries heavy load to move one place to another. Spelling of truck TRUCK, truck. Truck carries heavy load to move one place to another place. Now next land transport is here train. Train runs on tracks. Yes, trains run on tracks. Trains that carry people are called passenger train. Yes, carry people are called passenger train, and trains that carry goods are called goods train. The engine of a train runs on diesel, coal and electricity. We board a train at railway station. Yes, we board a train at railway station. RAILWAY, railway station. STATION, station. STATION, station. There are all kinds of different trains that are built for a range of purpose and environment. So my dear student, I have talked many lands of transport. At a glance I am saying like train, second is a truck, third one is a like bus, also car, bus, car, and so on. Now my dear student, now after we will know about air transport. Air transport. In this air transport consists vehicles which fly in the air, and like an aeroplane, helicopter, rocket, and air balloons, it fly in the air. It is the fastest but costliest means of transport. People can go one country to another country in a few hours, so it is very popular because it saves our times. Yes, so now my dear student, in air transport we will also read one by one all the names of transport. First is here aeroplane. Spelling of aeroplane: aeroplane. Aeroplane. Aeroplane is the fastest means of transport. It can fly very high. It means it carry passengers. A person flies aeroplane. A first is here, it carry passengers, and the person who flies aeroplane is called a pilot. Yes, a person who flies aeroplane is called pilot. Spelling of pilot is here P-I-L-O-T, pilot. And aeroplanes take off and land at airport. Yes, take off and land at airport. A-I-R-P-O-R-T, port. So, and also Wright brothers invented and flew the first aeroplane in 1903. As you can see in this picture, this is the picture of Wright brothers, W-R-I-G-S-T, Wright, B-R-O-T-H-E-R-S, brothers. Wright brothers who invented the first aeroplane in 1903. Now next one is here helicopter. Helicopter, 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 Helicopter. Helicopter. Helicopter, aircraft capable of taking off and landing vertically, hovering and flying in different direction. And also a helicopter can fly but not high as aeroplane. So it carry passenger but less than what? Aeroplane. Now next my dear, about rocket. Spelling of rocket, R-O-C-K-E-T, rocket. Rocket is generally used for scientific experiment and also to travel in the space. Yes, it is only used to scientific experiment and to travel in the space. Now next one is here air balloon. Air balloon is generally used for fun and adventure. Yes, spelling of air balloon. Spelling of air balloon, A-I-R, air. Now after my dear, next air transport name is here air balloons. Air balloons, it is generally used for fun and adventure. Now next after my dear, third modes of transport is here water transport. Water transport consists or we can say some means of transport sail on water, like ships, boats, submarine are the means of transport that sail on water. And the hold at harbor seas transport is the slowest means of transport. So now my dear student, in this also water transport name, we will one by one we will know about it in detail. So first water transport name is here boats and ships. First, boats are generally used by a fisherman for fishing. Boats are generally used by a fisherman for fishing. Now after that, ship can travel across sea and oceans. Yes, ship can travel across sea and oceans. It carries goods goods passenger from one place to another place. It carries goods and passenger from one place to another place. They carry bulky goods to long distances. Also, my dear, ships and boats serve serve a variety of purposes including transport, recreation, fishing, sporting competition and military operation. Yes, it serves a variety of purposes including transportation, recreation, fishing, and as I have said, my dear, boats are generally used by a fisherman for fishing. That's why also it serve a variety of purposes like including recreation, fishing, sporting competition and military and so on. So my dear, now after one is here boats, speed boats, SPEED, speed, BOATS, boats. Speed boats is a small boat. It travels very fast. It travels very fast. It can also be used for fun and adventure. It also used for fun and adventure. It travels very fast. It runs very fast. So it also used for fun and adventure. Now next one is here about submarine. But my dear students, submarine travels under the sea. Yes, it travels under the sea. And spelling of submarine, SUB, submarine, MARINE, submarine. So my dear students, now I have talked many means of transport. In means of transport, three modes of transport I explained: land transport, water transport and what? Air transport. So my dear student, you will take out your books, chapter 36, traveling is fun, okay my dear, and page number 43, you all will already, as I have explained all the means of transport, you will just write the name like aeroplane, second picture of ship, third picture of car, fourth train, fifth bus, bus, sixth auto rickshaw, seventh motorcycle, okay my dear, eighth what helicopter, and after ninth truck. So you all will complete, and also my dear, you all will draw a traffic signals, traffic lights you will draw my dear, and with you will fill also color, and you will show a red light means to stop, a green light means you will say to go, and a yellow light means to slow down and be ready to stop, slow down and be ready to stop. So my dear student, I hope you all have understood this chapter. At home you will complete this chapter 36, page number 42, 43, and you will complete in book also, and you will draw the picture of traffic lights and try to read did you know point also. So thank you, have a good day, and bye bye.